So one of the things that I like to do is discover new basically fun places here in Salt Lake City, whether it's a restaurant, whether it's an activity, whether it's a trail, mountain biking, snowmobiling. In this particular case, we have found a great place called Roots. I've heard a lot about it. Houston's told me a lot about it, and so I'm gonna go in for the very first time, order breakfast, basically ask the recommendation of the waitress, and share with you guys my experience here on Roots. So in case you guys want to try new places as well, maybe you're new to Utah, maybe you live in Utah but you don't venture off a lot, this will give you some ideas on different places to eat. So on that note, I'm hungry, I want some breakfast, let's go inside. So we just had a lovely breakfast. I ordered the eggs Benny, which was really good, actually. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Houston had a wonderful peanut butter pancake with, I believe, sausage and eggs. Was that correct? So you can check out the footage, see what we ordered. You can see if you think it looks good to you, but in my personal opinion, I will definitely be coming back to Roots. Roots is here in the Sugar House area, so if you live in Sugar House or in nearby proximity and you have not been here, I highly recommend coming here for breakfast and giving it a shot. And yeah, I definitely give this place a thumbs up.